In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Jotform as a PDF efficiently and easily. Whether you're looking to preserve a copy of your form responses for your records, or you need to share a form in a more permanent format, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to converting your online forms into downloadable PDF documents. First and foremost, make your way to Jotform's official website. Jotform is a robust online form builder that offers an array of functionalities, including the ability to convert your forms into PDF format. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to access your account. To do this, find and click on the Login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Don't worry if this is your first time. Jotform's interface is quite user-friendly. Upon clicking Login, you'll be prompted to sign in with your credentials. If you've previously linked your Jotform account to a third-party service like Google, you can opt to sign in through that platform for added convenience. This feature is particularly handy for those who prefer a more streamlined login process or wish to consolidate their online accounts. Once you're successfully logged in, navigate to the My Forms section of your dashboard. This area is where all your created or shared forms are neatly organized. Here you can manage your forms, look at submissions, and of course convert them into PDFs. From this overview, identify the form you wish to save as a PDF. You might have several forms, so take a moment to find the right one. After locating your form, look for the More button next to it. Clicking on this button will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. Among these options, you'll find Create PDF Document. Select this to begin the process of converting your form into a PDF file. This feature is instrumental for users needing to create offline copies of their forms for record keeping or distribution purposes. Upon clicking Create PDF Document, Jotform will take you to a new page dedicated to customizing how your PDF will look. But if you're here to simply download your form as is, your attention should be directed towards the Download button. Clicking this button will initiate the process where Jotform converts your selected form into a PDF file ready for download. Once the conversion process is complete, the download should automatically start, and you'll find the PDF file in your computer's download folder or whichever location you've set for downloads. It's as simple as that. With just a few clicks, you've successfully saved your online form as a PDF document. A few tips before I wrap up this video. Remember, the layout of your PDF might differ slightly from the web version of your form due to the nature of PDF formatting. It's also a good idea to review your downloaded PDF to ensure all the necessary fields are accurately captured and legible. If you plan to distribute the form, double-check the privacy settings and sensitive information. Jotform's PDF editor offers various customization options, so feel free to experiment with them to better suit your needs. And there you have it, a straightforward step-by-step guide on how to save a Jotform as PDF. This functionality is incredibly useful for professionals, educators, or anyone requiring a solid, unchangeable format of their online forms. Whether you're looking to archive submissions or share forms offline, knowing how to convert your digital forms into PDFs is an invaluable skill in our increasingly digital world. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned Jotform user or a first-timer eager to explore its capabilities, I hope this video has illuminated how easy and beneficial it is to save your forms as PDFs. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy form building and converting.